We'll guide you through how to make green dye in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So green dye is super useful as you can then go and dye things green. So first of all, you need to go and find a desert. So I've gone and found one here already just to make things a little bit quicker. And in the desert, what you need to find are cacti. As you can see, here are some cactus here. And what you then need to do is we need to go and break it. So what you can do is if you've got a bit of like a tower of multiple blocks, you can just break the bottom one and then it will all break. As you can see, I've now got 3 cactus. Then what you need to do is go and get a furnace and then something to go and power it with. I'm using coal. So go and put the cactus into the furnace with the fuel and it's then going to go and be smelted. Now go and wait. In the meantime, I'll just go and get some more, which we can then go and add. So I'll then go and add it in like so. And as you can see, the product is green dye. It's that simple. And what I can do is go and use the green dye to go and dye what I want.